I urge the new Fijian government to take a cue from the FijiFirst Government's initiative to improve the working conditions, salaries and benefits of Ministry of Health and Medical Service workers. Under the FijiFirst Government leadership, our civil servants have had increases in salaries, and whilst under the health and economic downturn by COVID-19, and contrary to what politicians, some of them on the other side of the House, have recommended, Prime Minister Bainimarama did not allow any pay cut to any civil servant. Your government's mission, as the Excellency had said, is to build unity through social cohesion and further improve and strengthen our economy through sustainable growth with the ultimate objective of improving the lives of all the people of Fiji. Sir, the fast economic recovery post-COVID-19 is now facing a subdued velocity. The differences in policies that we've seen with the ministers is showing mistrust and uncertainty in our economy. The Vendant and deviation from the Constitution is something that our multilateral partners will watch with interest. We all have to follow the law, and that begins with following the Constitution. As leaders, as ministers and assistant minister, you must initiate confidence in Fijians. Honourable Speaker, His Excellency also said the government must continue to adhere to the constitutional doctrine of the separation of powers as a cornerstone of our democracy, and the necessity for public servants to perform their duties independently. Sir, we've also seen over the last 50 days the appointment of failed candidates of the coalition without due diligence. Application for board memberships closed on 31st January, but appointments were made prior to that. The new Fijian government has not followed Section 123 of the Constitution in these civil service appointments, promotions and removal. This is a direct breach of the Constitution. We feel, for the career civil servants that we've been working with over the last few years, that now may be also limited in advancing their careers. I urge the coalition government to adhere to the constitutional requirements for appointments in the civil service.